Was there a particular political atmosphere in your home in addition to the religious?
Well, there were definitely not left, that I can tell you. I would say politically, well, they certainly voted for, liked Roosevelt, you know, and there wasn't much talk of politics. They were interested in what, they were concerned with making a living and worrying about the people in Europe. And if there was I mean, I wasn't aware of, I really was not aware of it. I can tell you that they definitely were not, they were not Yiddishists. They were religious Jews who didn't question anything about their religion or what politics. They knew what was right, what was wrong, and that was to be a good Jew.